Yes, student. In this video, I am going to share with you the next part of the strength of organic acids and bases. So here we are talking about the aromatic carboxylic acids. So this is the benzoic acid and this one is a cyclohexane carboxylic acid. That means benzoic acid is the unsaturated analog of cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So look at the pK values. The pK value for benzoic acid is 4.20 and the pK of cyclohexane carboxylic acid is 4.87. So from that what we see that unsaturation, due to this unsaturation, as the pK value decreases, indicate what? Benzoic acid is stronger acid as compared to cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now, why this happened? So for that, look at the dissociation of benzoic acid. So after the dissociation of benzoic acid, so it gives what? It gives the benzoate, that is the conjugate base, and H+. So which are the factors are responsible for the stability of the conjugate base, that is the benzoate. Now here, that carbonyl group, this carbonyl group shows electron withdrawing resonance effect, while this aromatic ring shows electron withdrawing inductive effect. So how we can show the resonance effect? So this electron oxygen minus that forms a double bond here, so that this double bond is going to break and it have a single bond. It has a single bond with the negative charge. So as the electrons are shifted from one oxygen to another oxygen, we call this as a resonance effect, that is electron withdrawing resonance effect. So for the stability of this conjugate base, two factors are important. The first factor is this aromatic ring shows electron withdrawing inductive effect, while this shows electron withdrawing resonance effect carbonyl group. Now you may have a question that why the aromatic ring not showing the resonance effect here. The reason behind is, always remember, whenever a negative charge is there, that negative charge, next to that there has to be a single bond, and next to that there has to be a double bond. So here the double bond is present, not here. So because of that, this entire system is not in conjugation with this oxygen minus charge. Because of that, though this system there is having a double bond, but still that system not in conjugation with this electrons of this oxygen. So always remember, the negative charge, next to that you must have a single bond, and next to that there is a double bond. So negative charge, single bond, double bond, again single bond, double bond, then and then only that system will remain in conjugation. So because of that, as aromatic ring is electron, as aromatic ring shows electron withdrawing inductive effect. What happens in case of a cyclohexane carboxylic acid? So after dissociation, that this carboxylate anion and this H plus ion. Now, in the stability of this conjugate base, which factors are responsible? Just now we discussed in previous example, that is electron withdrawing resonance shown by this carbonyl group. That effect is present, while this entire cyclohexyl system, this cyclohexyl system is nothing but like an alkyl system. So it donates its electron density to carbonyl carbon. So what we call this is a electron donating inductive effect. Because of this effect, what happens? It destabilizes the conjugate base. The electron donating inductive effect localize the negative charge which is present on this oxygen. So near about, just now we discussed in previous example, due to withdrawing effect, the delocalization effect increases, while due to donating effect, the delocalization effect decreases. As the delocalization effect decreases, so we conclude that this conjugate base is less stable as compared to the benzoate. So because of that, the rate, now what here to talk, the next part, as the conjugate base is more stable, that means the rate of dissociation is more, rate of dissociation is fast, that means that has to be a strong acid. So the same thing is written over here. In compound A, the carbonyl shows minus R effect, pH group shows minus I effect. Exact opposite statement you can see under the cyclohexane carboxylic acid. In compound A, carbonyl group shows minus R effect, while cyclohexyl group shows plus I effect. So minus I and minus R effect stabilize the conjugate base very well due to delocalization, while plus I effect destabilize the conjugate base. Due to this, conjugate base benzoate is more stable as compared to the cyclohexane carboxylate ion. The exact opposite statement you have to write over here. So as this conjugate base is stable, so rate of dissociation is fast, hence benzoic acid is strong acid as compared to the cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So exactly opposite statement you have to write down under the cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now, the ring can be aromatic acids. The ring can be substituted with the alkyl group. So this is the first point, introduction of alkyl group into the benzene ring. So first example is benzoic acid, then substitution of methyl group, and then that substitution at meta position, and then substitution at para position. So look at the pK value. It's 4.20 in benzoic acid, 4.24 in methyl benzoic acid, and this one is C, that para compound, that 4.34. So what you see here, the pK value go on increasing from A to C. As the pK value go on increasing, indicate what? Acidity go on decreasing. So as acidity go on decreasing, what is the difference between the A and BC compound? There is a presence of CH3 group in BC compound, while in A there is no CH3 group. So what is the role of CH3 group? The CH3 group shows electron donating inductive effect. So it shows the plus I effect. So alkyl group always show plus I effect, but it shows very little effect on the strength of benzoic acid. So you can see 20, 24, 34, 0.34, it's not affect a lot. So alkyl group shows plus I effect, but it shows very little effect on strength of benzoic acid. Now, in this case, the plus I effect decreases the stability of conjugate base. So acidity decreases from A to C. And again, one more feature is there, that is electron donating inductive effect depends on distal. So this methyl group and this methyl group, that paramethyl group is little bit more away from this carboxylate group as compared to the metamethyl group. So in paramethyl group, the plus I effect is less, while in metamethyl group, the plus I effect is more. Hence, more the plus I effect, then it destabilizes the conjugate base. Now the second example is introduction of electron withdrawing group into the benzene ring. So which group now we are going to introduce? A nitro group. And what is the role of nitro group? Role of nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Why it is electron withdrawing group? Can you see the nitrogen carry a positive charge? So as the nitrogen carry positive charge, so its tendency is what? It withdraw the electron density from the neighboring atom. So neighboring atom is what? Here it is an aromatic ring and then oxygens are there. So nitrogen is positively charged, hence it withdraw the electron density from the electron rich adjacent system. So because of that, this nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Now, what you can see over here, that 4.20, this pK value is 2.17, this one is 3.45, then this one is 3.43. So, how do you differentiate this compound? In A, there is no NO2 group, while in remaining compound, there is presence of NO2 group. And as you just now we discussed, the role of NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. Now, what is the role of electron withdrawing group? Role of electron withdrawing group is to stabilize the conjugate base. Because of that, the conjugate base of B, C, D is more stable, hence rate of dissociation is more in case of B, C, D as compared to A. So B, C, D are strong acids as compared to A. Same it is, electron withdrawing group increase the acid strength and the effect is more prominent when they are in the ortho and para position. So this is important. If any group, you may have a donating group or withdrawing group, but now as we are going to discuss under this heading the electron withdrawing group, so that's why I'm writing over here, it's a electron withdrawing group. Don't forget this electron withdrawing or electron donating group, that anything can be possible. If it is electron donating group, then it decreases the acid strength, but only when if it is present at ortho and para position. So if electron withdrawing group is present, then it increases the acid strength and the effect is more prominent when they are in ortho and para position. The ortho isomer is more acidic than meta and para isomer. The minus I effect depends on distance. Minus I effect decreases as distance increases. Now, you may have a question here. Why this shows a minus I effect? Nitro group, why it is not showing a electron withdrawing resonance effect? The way we discussed in previous example, that is O minus. After dissociation, whatever the negative charge is generated on this oxygen, that O minus will remain in conjugation with this carbonyl group only, while this entire ring is not in conjugation with the this O minus. Because of that, this nitro group, instead of showing a resonance effect, it shows electron withdrawing resonance effect. So the final order of acidity is B is stronger acid, that is ortho is strong acid, then para is the next to that, then C, that means meta, and the last benzoic acid. So let us we discuss one by one. That is, this one is a para-nitrobenzoic acid. After dissociation, it gives para-nitrobenzoate, and para-nitrobenzoate, look at what this shows a resonating structure. So a minus R effect. Now this one is, this entire group shows what? This entire group shows electron withdrawing inductive effect. And whatever the resonance effect is shown over here, that is only with respect to the phenyl ring. So the electron which are present on this oxygen, they are not transferred towards this, only the aromatic electrons get transferred to this. So this, remember, this resonance is shown only with respect to pH group. So this minus R effect is because of only the nitro group with respect to pH. Okay, so this, because of this, what happens? This carbon carry a positive charge. This nitro group is in conjugation with phenyl ring. Due to that, such type of resonance we can show over here. Because of that, this carbon now carry a positive charge. As this carbon having a positive charge, so it withdraws the electron density towards itself. So always electron deficient center try to attract the electron density towards itself from the neighboring electron rich environment. So as it withdraws the electron density towards itself, therefore it shows minus I effect. And as you know, minus I effect and minus R effect always increases the stability of conjugate base. So it is more stable conjugate base. Now in this ortho nitrobenzoic acid, the same dissociation is here and the same type of resonance. Now here this one is that is carbonyl group is showing a minus R effect. The aromatic ring is showing minus I effect, and this resonance, nitro group resonance, is shown only with respect to the phenyl ring. So after this, again you can see the carbon which is attached to the carboxylate group carry a positive charge. Hence again it shows strong electron withdrawing inductive effect. So this is also a stable conjugate base. Only here now as this NO2 group is close to this, so the whatever the inductive effect and the resonance effect shown by this group as it depends on distance, therefore it is a strong withdrawal. Hence this minus I effect in this case is more prominent as compared to para. If it is more prominent, that means the stability of ortho conjugate base is more as compared to para conjugate base. That's why the dissociation of ortho conjugate base is fast as compared to the para conjugate base. Hence, this is a strong acid as compared to the para. So for the explanation of this, let us first of all, in what way we have to explain. So we are making first two groups over here. First one is compound A, compound B, C, D. On what basis we made this two group? On the basis of presence of nitro group and absence of nitro group. As in benzoic acid, there is no nitro group, while remaining three compound, there is a presence of nitro group. So on that first basis that we made the two groups. So absence of nitro group, presence of nitro group. Absence of minus R effect with respect to pH shown by nitro group. So which effect is absent here? In previous resonating structure, that effect we have shown that NO2 group shows minus R effect with respect to phenyl ring. So that effect is absent here while this effect is present here. So strength of minus I effect decreases. So strength of minus I effect is less over here, while here the strength of minus I effect is more. Hence conjugate base is less stable as compared to BCD, while this conjugate base is more stable as compared to E. So rate of dissociation is slow, rate of dissociation is fast in this case. Hence A is weak acid among all, while B, C, D are strong acid as compared to A. Now let us go with the compound C and compound BD. So next group is why why we are going with this group, compound B and D. So in compound B and D, electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para position, while in compound C, that nitro group present at meta position. That's why on the basis of ortho, para and meta, so always remember the ortho para that you have to take in one group and another meta group in another group. So what is the role here? In compound C, electron withdrawing group increase the acid strain and the effect is less when they are in the meta position. No doubt electron withdrawing group increase the acid strain, but as we discussed in first slide, that if they are present at ortho and para position, then and then only it shows prominent effect. So if the group is present at meta position, then its effect is less. Because of that, strength of minus I effect decreases. Hence, conjugate base is less stable as compared to BD. So rate of dissociation is low. Hence, C is weak acid as compared to BD. Exactly opposite statements we have written over here. So at the end, what we had to explain, now we have to explain between the compound B and compound D. In compound B, the inductive effect depends on distance. So distance increases, inductive effect decreases. So that is true in case of D. In case of D, nitro group present at para position. So distance increases, the inductive effect decreases. So distance between carboxylate group and nitro group is less in orthoisomer. So strength of minus I effect increases, hence conjugate base is more stable as compared to D. So rate of dissociation is fast, hence D is strong acid among all as compared to D.